Huckers here with Chickenhawkfarmstead. Today we got something and I'm excited to have finally. New batteries for our solar system. Solar setup, whatever you call it. By the way, someone let me know if there's a different name besides solar system when you're building a solar system. You know, a system using solar. Because I keep referring to a solar system when I'm talking to people. And people think that I'm building, and I'm back here in my garage with some foam and building these little, you know, these little solar systems, which is also the name. So that solar generator is, to me, is not really a best one. But anyways, I digress. Back to what the video is about. Today, we got more power. Ooh. We've been watching, was it Tool Time? Tom? Yeah, Tim? Anyways, so I'm excited about these new batteries. Packaging. Yes, I already opened it up, but the packaging came great. Nice foam on top. Still inside. I didn't even know it was going to come with any kind of connection cables. I'm hoping these are good ones. I'm going to use them because I'm not going to be drawing crap tons of power right now. And these feel really flexible and easy to use. So I'm going to use the cables. If I end up cutting one open and I find out that it is, was it copper coated aluminum or something like that, then yeah, I'll definitely be switching those out. I have other cables I can use. We are going to be upgrading majorly because right now we have 3 of these little guys. They are lithium batteries, but they're already in 24 volt, but they are like, I think they're 23 watt hours or something like that. Each one of these bad boys is 100. And this is one of the things we love about 100 watt batteries. I can sit in my seat and pick it up. So we got nice plastic on here. And this box does contain 2. Ordered a total of 4. These are 12 volt, 100 amp hour batteries from wattcycle. Now, there's a guy on the YouTube that I follow a lot, and I get a lot of my stuff from as far as how to build and advice and stuff like that when it comes to solar. I'll put his link over here. It's something Powell's or something like that. I always forget. But anyways, he did a video on these, and these were the cheapest batteries he could find, and he was actually really happy with them. Now, granted, it wasn't long-term testing. He just tore it apart and all that. I'll put a link below to that actual breakdown because, I mean, he goes in depth. That guy's a lot smarter than I am when it comes to that. So, anyways, there's that part. The company apparently did use his screenshot as an ad. I don't know if he said it was okay or what, but they were using it, and I thought it was him originally with the ad, and I was like, well, crap, if he's going to do this, I'm going to order the dang thing. So it had a link to the channel, but they were $155 each for these. That is an amazing deal. Like, these things 5 years ago or something was like, I don't even know, $1,000 a piece. They've been coming down, you know. I thought 250, 200 was going to be the max. And one thing he keeps talking about too, if the tariffs do go, you know, even at this thing at 150, if they do 100% tariff, it'll be 300, which still is a hell of a good deal if it is a good battery. I mean, these things are supposed to have I think it's 50,000. I'll put all the specs up there. But I want to say it's like 50,000 to 15,000 cycles. Like I said, this is 100 watt amp hour. So the total energy is 1,280 because it charges up. See, normal voltage 12.8. Yep. So, yeah, we just got to wire 2 of these together, and we're ready to roll. So, like I said, I just wanted to make a quick video here. Granted, it was about 5 minutes.